Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Trump administration sparks midterms vaccine war. The Trump administration has made significant changes to the U.S. childhood vaccine schedule, reducing the number of recommended vaccines from 17 to 11. The administration argues this will restore public trust in vaccines by focusing on the most important diseases, but many medical experts warn it will have the opposite effect and endanger public health. The changes are likely to be a prominent political issue in the upcoming midterm elections, with Democrats criticizing the decision as putting children's lives at risk. The vaccine schedule change could also lead to legal challenges, either through direct challenges to the new recommendations or new vaccine injury lawsuits. The administration maintains that anyone who wants vaccines will still be able to get them, but it remains to be seen whether this will be enough to politically insulate the administration from the consequences of the decision. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.